Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fundamental concepts of databases, tables, keys, and schemas. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Tables are the backbone of any database. They organize data into rows and columns, making it easy to store and retrieve information. Imagine a table as a spreadsheet, with each row representing a record and each column representing a field. Now, let's talk about keys. Keys are crucial for maintaining the integrity and relationships within a database. A simple key is a single attribute within a table that uniquely identifies each record. It's like a unique identifier, ensuring no duplicates exist. Next up, we have compound keys. A compound key consists of multiple attributes that, together, uniquely identify each record. It's useful when a single attribute isn't sufficient for uniqueness. Now, let's explore candidate keys. A candidate key is a set of attributes within a table that could potentially serve as the primary key. They are essentially contenders for the primary key position. Moving on to the primary key. The primary key is a candidate key chosen by the database designer to uniquely identify each record in a table. It's the cornerstone of data integrity and is often denoted by underlining in a table schema. Now, let's touch on alternative keys, also known as secondary keys. An alternative key is any candidate key that wasn't selected as the primary key. While they don't serve as the primary identifier, they're still crucial for establishing unique constraints. Next, let's understand superkeys. A superkey is a set of attributes within a table that uniquely identifies each record. Unlike the primary key, it can contain additional attributes beyond what's necessary for uniqueness. Finally, let's explore foreign keys and self-referential keys. A foreign key is an attribute or set of attributes within a table that establishes a relationship with the primary key of another table. It ensures referential integrity between related tables. Last but not least, self-referential keys. A self-referential key is a foreign key within a table that references the same table. It's commonly used in hierarchical structures or when establishing relationships within a single entity. Finally, a schema is a logical blueprint that defines the structure, organization, and relationships of data elements within the database. It encompasses tables, fields, data types, constraints, relationships, and other properties necessary for storing and accessing data. Essentially, a schema provides a framework for how data is stored and organized in the database. And there you have it, tables, keys, and schemas demystified. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone working with databases. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.